Okay, so in a few seconds I'll show you what that thing does, or what I think it does, but to make it short, what you're gonna see, it's a device which creates noises, or how I would call it, a torturing device for secret services, because it drives totally crazy, that thing. Okay, so I got that fancy thing from my local library, and it's called a Stylophone. I am not a musician, actually. I just saw that on the library page, and I have actually no clue what that thing is. I mean, I know it's there to generate all different kinds of sound, and you have a stylus for that, so that's why I'm pretty sure it's called Stylophone. What you also have, you have a lot of connections here for different music instruments, and also what's called a line out, so I guess that goes to some other device. And then also you have some connectors here, and as I said, I have no clue what it is, but just thought I'll try it out. So right here with that stylus, I'm pretty sure we can, you see when I push here, we can change things. And we are lucky it plays some sound. Maybe I've turned it off. Let's put, there is a volume knob here. It's hard to show here. You can turn the volume on and off. Right now it's doing just nothing, but it has that cool blue light here. And I'll tried it out last week. Oh my goodness. Okay, make some noises. Okay, that's... You know what, that actually sounds a bit like they made these Star Trek voices. Okay, now this doesn't make anything here. Somehow, oh, and here you can actually go an octave higher or lower. If I would just, there is no description with that device, so unfortunately, I have really no clue what to do with it. But you see, it's kind of, it has like these, the keyboard here, and then you can make different kind of noises. Yeah, strange. I guess you can make some kind of sound effect, and I'm pretty sure you can even hook an instrument here and then put that through, and then when you play that instrument, you maybe can change the sound it makes. Or I'm totally wrong, so as I said before, I actually have really no clue what it is. I just got it from the library because I saw it looks cool, and the only thing I can tell you, it makes strange noises. And I'm pretty sure if you have a microphone and you would put your voice through that, it kind of maybe would actually alter your voice and give you a robotic voice, or whatever you want to do. And it's not really reacting to all I'm doing, but let's just push this one, and you see, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's good to make any kind of annoying sound effect. Maybe we can. Okay, so that's the full volume it gives, so I guess it's best when you have like headphones. Well, I guess you kind of get the sense what that thing does, maybe more than I. Let's go, let's just check low pass, high pass, and oh, that's even better. Wow, that's, if you want to torture somebody with noises, I guess that's what it's made for a torturing device. And as I said, if you're shooting a sci-fi movie and you need some sound effects, that's the device you want to have. Ooh. Uh-huh. Oh, that's okay. I think I somehow get it now. Oh my goodness, yeah. That's... Okay, so my conclusion is that's something, either you want to make sound effects for like a sci-fi movie or whatever, or you're something like a CIA or whatever and you want to torture people with sound effects and noises, then that's the device you want to have. I'll show you the connectors here real quick. So I guess you can read that on your own. And that's the device. That's where you actually put that stylus in. And then we have these connectors here. Oh, yeah, Star Trek. And then the cool thing is, for the stylus, it actually has a little home at the back of the device. And so you see it's run by batteries. You put the stylus in here, and you close that thing up, and then you torture people. Clearly, I'm not a musician, and strange. Well, there you have it. That's a stylophone, and most likely for my ears, a torturing device.